In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a customized wooden serving tray. Hey everyone, my name is Tim Tognacci and welcome back to another episode of Casual Builds, a channel focused on bringing you beginner DIY and woodworking projects. And I am super excited about today's project. As I mentioned, we're going to be making a customized wooden serving tray made from walnut and maple. So to start, we're gonna head on over here. We're gonna grab a few boards of maple that I have on hand. We're going to mill those up. We're gonna cut them into strips and then we're gonna glue them up and that will make up the bottom of the serving tray. So I'm going to take a quick second to explain what I'm doing here. So I have the panels all glued up and these are ready to go. So my idea is that I have this 8-foot long piece of walnut that I'm going to surround and act as the sides for the panel. But to do this, I'm going to cut a groove in the walnut to support the panel so it kind of rests inside from all of the different sides here. And then I'm also going to try to make the walnut be continuous grain all the way around, and that will be for the handles and kind of the overhang itself. Anyways, I'm not sure if I'm explaining this properly. You know what? I'm just going to go do it. So I cut these side rails to about 2.5 inches and then the end rail pieces to about 3.5. And the reason I did that is because I want to add in a spot for the handle. And I already made this piece so you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. And this next step requires me to cut these to equal the width of this piece. And in order to do that, I set up a stop block, and the distance here matches the width of this side piece. So you can see it kind of just skims the blade. So that way, if I lift up the blade to how far I want to go in right here, and then line this piece up against the stop block, I can make sure that I'm cutting the same exact length on each side once I flip it over, and then it will match the two pieces. So when I join them up during the glue up, All that's left to do is to trim up these splines, sand everything down, and put some finish on it. For the finish, I'm gonna go with some mineral oil, and then once that has dried, I'll put on a coat of paste wax. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please subscribe, and leave a comment. Love to hear from you. Let's get to it.